Hi everyone, this is Heather Thoms, an independent distributor for GelMoment nails. I'm so excited to share this tutorial for you of this beautiful set of tie-dye nails. I am hoping that this can help you do this for yourself, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. So I created my own base with Lovey Dovey and Sensational. I just mixed a little bit together. And then for the stripes, what we're going to use is we're going to use Chandelier, Make Your Mauve, Sensational, and Queen of Your Galaxy. And then we're going to use Clearly Frisky on top. Now, you don't need any fancy tools. You can just use a toothpick if you like, or if you have brushes, you can use them. And you're going to need somewhere to be able to put your polish onto. Whether it's one of our GelMoment silicone pads, or it's one that you buy at the dollar store, or even a ceramic tile. I've even used something like this to mix my colors on. So we're gonna get started. What you're gonna need to do first, if you've already painted your base coat, is clean them off, make sure they're nice and tidy. You don't wanna have any oils or anything on your fingers. And then from here, I'm gonna show you ways to do it with these 3 different tools. And we're gonna go on the pinky, we're gonna do stripes up and down. On our ring finger, we're gonna go on an angle, your middle finger another angle, and then your pointy finger from side to side. One thing I do recommend doing is making sure that you cure your colors in between your fingers. So what we're gonna do is use our different colors, and we're going to just put it in our little mix it area. If you have something else, that's totally fine. You don't need a lot. Just put a couple little dabs. You can always add a little more later. Now for brushes, I really recommend the art set from GelMoment, but I don't have it yet. So I just have polish brushes from my gel nails, and I'm going to use those. You can just get brushes at the dollar store, and that works as well. So we're going to start with our pinky, and I'm going to use this brush. It's not the finest brush, but it'll be perfect. And I'm going to take my lines, as you can see, go from the base to the tip of my nail. It doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to be swiping through them. And you can do 1 line of each color. You can do multiple lines of the color, totally up to you. All my nails are going to be different. I'm not doing them perfect. I just wipe excess off. I'm going to put some pink in between there. Ooh. Pink. I'm going to do some silver. Some chandelier. I'm going to use some of our Queen of the Galaxy over here. You do want to make sure that you get all the way to the edge of your nail, just so that you make sure you don't have like a bunch of excess. Now, people do ask me, well, why did I put a color on first? Well, in case I don't get this stuff all the way around my nail, I want to make sure my nail is covered. It's not naked. So I'm going to use what I did on this finger. I use the toothpick. So all you do is you take your toothpick and you find where you want to do your line and pull it across. You can go back and forth. Mine, I did go back and forth on the other hand, so I'm just going to go back and forth like this. And of course, your nails aren't going to look all the same because we're not machines, but you can play. And if you don't like it, you can add some more color. The nice thing with GelMoment is you can wipe it off if you don't like. So because I'm going to be doing another finger, I'm going to cure it, but I'm not going to keep it right here because I don't want to cure this and I want to keep my bottles out of the way. So I'm just going to turn it and cure it for 45 seconds. And put this in. So my last step for this will be to put a coat of Clearly Frisky to make sure that my polish stays on nice and long. I will cap my ends and then I will be good to go. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you have any suggestions for types of nail art you would like to see, let me know that as well. And I will hopefully see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.